a channel to the future of humans. Do subscribe to know more about the future species of humans. The ethics of transhumanism, exploring the moral considerations of enhancing humanity. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented rate, we are faced with a question: how far should we go in enhancing our own human abilities through technology? The idea of transhumanism, the merging of man and machine, is no longer science fiction, but a rapidly advancing reality. But as we strive towards a more enhanced future, we must also consider the ethical implications of these technological advancements. An expert in the field of transhumanism, who will serve as the main voice throughout the documentary. Expert. Transhumanism is essentially the idea that we can use technology to enhance our own biological abilities, and ultimately transcend the limitations of the human body. This can include everything from genetic engineering to brain implants. Footage of various transhumanist technologies, including exoskeletons, brain-computer interfaces, and gene editing. Expert. But as with any new technology, there are always ethical considerations to take into account. For example, what are the risks of unintended consequences or side effects? What are the potential implications for social inequality, if only the wealthy can afford to enhance their own abilities? And perhaps most importantly, what are the moral implications of changing what it means to be human? Interview with a philosopher or ethicist who will provide a counterpoint to the transhumanist viewpoint. Philosopher. Transhumanism raises some very troubling ethical questions. For example, is it really ethical to create a superhuman class of people who are vastly more powerful and intelligent than the rest of us? And what happens to the notion of human dignity, if we start tinkering with our own biology in this way? Footage of various science fiction films that explore transhumanist themes, such as Blade Runner and Ghost in the Shell. Expert. These are valid concerns, but I would argue that the benefits of transhumanism outweigh the potential risks. For example, we could use these technologies to cure diseases, enhance our cognitive abilities, and ultimately create a more equitable society where everyone has access to these enhancements. An interview with a person who has undergone a transhumanist enhancement, such as a prosthetic limb or brain implant. Transhumanist. For me, transhumanism isn't just about enhancing my own abilities, it's about exploring the boundaries of what it means to be human. I don't see these enhancements as a threat to my dignity or humanity, but rather as a way to expand my own potential and contribute to society in new and exciting ways. Footage of transhumanist conferences and events, showing the diversity of people who are interested in this movement. Expert. Transhumanism is not just the domain of Silicon Valley billionaires or mad scientists. It's a grassroots movement that is driven by people from all walks of life who are excited about the potential of these technologies to transform the world. The expert standing in front of a futuristic backdrop. Expert. As we move towards a more enhanced future, it's important that we continue to have open and honest discussions about the ethical implications of transhumanism. Only by grappling with these complex questions can we ensure that these technologies are used in a way that benefits all of humanity.